Christmas
Sino?
from Kaya,
From who? Kuya,
Kuya,
Seb,
Ate,
Achi,
Achi,
Agatha,
Agatha,
Tiel,
Tiel,
Tita Chi, and
who's this?
Agatha.
Agatha, and Agatha, Ate,
Tita,
Tita Sil,
Richie,
and
Tito Chris.
Tita Chris.
Yay! You say thank you.
Thank you.
Open it. Naku, may ubo ka, baby. What is it?
Amen book.
Yeah.
Wheels.
Yeah. Cool. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Tita.
Richie?
Richie. Thank you, Tita.
Tita who? Tita Chris? And who else? Chris 7, Achi. Oh, open the next one. Open the next one. Who's that from? To who?
To Lou.
From
Shawnee.
Uh-huh.
Tita.
Crystal.
Crystal and Tito Felix.
Ooh, what is it? Open it. What is it?
Hot Wheels.
Yay! You like that?
New Hot Wheels again.
What? Do you have that yet?
Yeah, I have a lot of Hot Wheels.
Who's that from? To who? To?
To We Miss You and Love from Mama and Papa.
We say thank you, Mama, Papa.
Thank you, Mama, Papa.
Okay, open it. Open it.
Yeah.
What is it?
Daddy!
You like it? You like it?
Yes.
You want to eat it now?
No.
Okay. Next one.
Next one.
To who?
To Merry Christmas. Tito
Mike.
Tito Mike. Tito
Tita Carol.
Carol. Wait. Center.
Yeah, and look, read it. Me. Miggy. Open it.
Thank you, Tita Carol, Tito Mike, Tito Miggy,
Your cousin.
Sander.
No. Okay, what is it? What is it? What's that?
I don't know.
Read it.
Fun run.
On top, the white one, white words.
Connect 4.
You like that, huh? Where's your gift from? What about that big one? Open that big one right there. From who?
To Dominico.
From?
To Lou Dominico. From Tita. That's it.
Yeah, open it. Open it. Wow, that's big. That's big, huh?
Wait, I can't open it. Oh, no.
Need help?
Pirate!
Huh?
Pirate!
Wow. Is that cool? Huh? We're gonna show this video to Mama and Papa. And everybody. What do you say to Tita Matet?
Thank you, Tita Matet. Thank you, Tita Alanda. Thank you, Vincent.
How about your other present? Open it.
This?
Yeah. Who's that from?
To you from Mommy and Daddy.
You know what that is. Yes, you do. You picked it. Remember? You know what that is. Huh, Dom?
Yeah. But I don't know.
Okay, open it then. You remember? Bring it up so Mama and Papa can see it. What do you say? Huh?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Call Boxy. Boxy! Open. Ask Boxy to open his present. It's right there.
Where?
Boxy, open your present. Dom, give it to Boxy. Hurry up.
Where?
That one, the long one. That one. Give it to Boxy. Boxy, go kuya. Call him, Dom.
Boxy.
Give it to him. Let him smell it. Let him smell it. Call him, Dom. Does he like it? Does he like it? Is he smelling it?
Yeah.
Is he?
He likes it.
He likes it. Merry Christmas, Boxy.
Can you open it? Oh, I can't open it.
Can you? Open it for him. Look at him. Look at him. He wants to eat it now. He wants it now. Look. He said, hurry up, he said.
I can't.
You can't what? You can't open it? You want Mommy to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the camera down. Let's put the camera down. Okay. Give it to me. Stay there and wait, Boxy. Have patience. Kuya's gonna give it to you. Wait. Okay, here, you give it to him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Say Merry Christmas, Boxy.
Merry Christmas, Boxy. Merry Christmas.
Boxy, you need to wait for Kuya to bring it out first.
Ow.
One only, Dom. Give him one. Tell him to bite it. Watch. Let him go. Let it go. Wow. Merry Christmas, Boxy. Merry Christmas, Boxy. He wants it. Okay. Let's just say bye. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Louder, anak ko.
Bye, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Miss you. I miss you.
Miss you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.